President of the Prison Officers Association, Gerard Gordon, says the previous facial hair policy contravened what is set out in any official document, the Prison Service Act, Public Service Act, and the Constitution and Law of Trinidad and Tobago.
We are very happy with the ruling of the court. We are even more happy for our members and officers of the Trinidad and Tobago prison service. And without wanting to rehash the judgment, it is clear that no more than ever we need to stand up for ourselves, and we need to stand up for what we know is right.
In June 2023, High Court Justice Margaret Mohammed granted an injunction restraining the prisons commissioner from taking any action to enforce a clean-shaven policy for employees in the service pending the outcome of the judgment. On Thursday, Justice Mohammed delivered a 39-page judgment which put an end to this policy, which was in place for half a century.
And one of the things that is clear by the judgment is that the state was unable to prove how having facial hair can diminish both discipline and the ability of the officer to conduct his lawful duty, neither of which happen in the case of officers who grow their facial hair.
Justice Mohammed, in her judgment, said the policy amounted to racial discrimination because of the adverse impact on officers of African and mixed-race descent.
So it may seem fickle for some, but it truly is a very huge victory for us, a huge step in the right direction for us, as we, more times than not as a country, seemed still enslaved by colonial practice and practices that certainly do not serve us nor the public of Trinidad and Tobago.
The prison officers were represented by Senior Counsel Anand Ramlogan of Freedom Law Chambers. Ayanna Carter, TTT News.